Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer your Google Authenticator to your new phone. First of all, I want to apologize for not having a screen recorded video. The reason we're having to do this is because basically Google Authenticator blocks out screen recordings. All you see is a black screen. So I'll show you two ways. One is where you're logged into your Google account, which I am in this one. Okay. As you can see, the codes have been saved to your Google account. The other one where you're not logged into your Google account, I'll show you how to transfer that as well. Now, let me grab my other phone. I've just installed the Google Authenticator. We'll just go ahead and open this up. So there we go. Click on Open. Now come here, click on Get Started. And then all we need to do is choose our Google account. So I'll choose this one right here. And we'll click on Continue. And we should see our codes because everything was synced. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh until we see the codes are syncing. So we just have to wait. Our Wi-Fi should have to be connected. So we need to be online for this. There we go. All right. Now the next method, we'll get the other phone again. You need to come here at the top left. This is where you had not logged into Google. Okay. Click on those three horizontal lines. Click on transfer codes. Click on export codes. Okay. Now we need to put in our password to verify ourselves. So I'll go ahead and do that. There we go. That's my password. I'll select the codes that I want to share. So I'll select both of these, click on Next, and we need to scan this QR code on my other device. So grab my other device, and don't click on this plus icon and then click on Scan QR Code. We need to do it from the left-hand panel. So come here, click on these three horizontal lines, click on Transfer Codes, click on Import Codes, and then scan the QR code from here. There you go. And we basically now have transferred this to our new phone. And it's really that easy and simple.